Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and creating working space. Safety is non-negotiable. Once the fridge is unplugged and pulled out, put on insulated gloves and eye protection. Make sure you have a multimeter and a small socket set nearby. Locate the compressor at the back bottom and identify the black plastic relay and overload attached to the compressor terminals. This is where you begin. Remove any access cover or grill to expose the components, and keep screws and parts organized in a tray. With power verified off using your multimeter, proceed to remove the relay. First, test the compressor terminals to confirm they're dead. Safety again. Next, depress any retention clip or unscrew the small bracket holding the relay and overload in place, and carefully pull the assembly straight off the compressor terminals. Take a clear photo or label wires so reassembly is exact. Once removed, use the multimeter to measure continuity and resistance across the relay terminals. Replace the relay if readings show open circuit or short. Install the replacement relay matching orientation and wire positions from your photo. Push it fully onto the compressor spade terminals until it clicks or sits flush, then secure any bracket or clip. Reattach the access grill, slide the fridge back and plug it in. Listen for the compressor to start and monitor temperature. If the compressor hums without starting, make sure wiring and relay seating are correct. If still stalled, perform a brief jumper test only if qualified. Otherwise, contact a certified appliance technician, as the compressor or start device may be faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.